64 plate 2014 Toyota Aygo. Just bought it, and we noticed the front offside fog light weren't working, so tried to search everywhere on YouTube, couldn't find anywhere that had a like a how to, so just did an exploratory thing myself. Basically, there's an undercover at the front there, shed load of bolts you got to take off and whatnot. Take all those off and remove that cover, and then get under the car. Where you are, under we go. There's the bugger, right just there. You see it? There. Essentially, can you see my finger? Yeah. Push that clip in and pull that connector off, and that will come off. Twist that anti-clockwise, and then wiggle out. Usually it's kind of got to stuck with time sort of thing, so just give it a wiggle, twist it right, and then pull out. And obviously the brand new one, don't touch the glass, obviously. Push it in, give it a little kind of gentle wiggle so it seats correctly, pull it round and put the connector on. That's basically it. Okay, there she blows just there. So it all works now, obviously. Now I've got to put that bloody great cover back on. That's a bit of a wiggle, getting around all these sort of bits here and whatnot, just to get off. So there you go. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody. I wish I would have had the help myself, but there you go, I've done it.